3-2-1 Coded Exam 1 Practice. Question 1. Which code set is used to classify diagnoses in all healthcare settings? A. CPT, B. HCPCS Level 2, C. ICD-10-CM, or D. ICD-10-PCS? The correct answer is C. ICD-10-CM. ICD-10-CM is the standard for diagnosis coding in the US. Question 2. Which code set is used to classify procedures in an inpatient hospital setting? A. CPT, B. HCPCS Level 2, C. ICD-10-CM, or D. ICD-10-PCS? The correct answer is D. ICD-10-PCS. ICD-10-PCS is used exclusively for inpatient hospital procedure coding. Question 3. Who publishes and maintains the CPT code set? A. CMS, B. AMA, C. WHO, or D. NCHS? The correct answer is B. AMA. The American Medical Association, AMA, publishes the current procedural terminology, CPT. Question 4. What does HIPAA stand for? A. Health Insurance Privacy and Accountability Act, B. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, C. Health Information Protection and Access Act, or D. Healthcare Institutional Policy and Administration Act? The correct answer is B. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. HIPAA stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. Question 5. Which of the following is considered patient demographic data? A. Chief complaint, B. Date of birth, C. Blood pressure, or D. Discharge diagnosis? The correct answer is B. Date of birth. Demographic data identifies the patient, name, DOB, address. Question 6. What is the primary purpose of the patient record? A. To provide data for research, B. To provide continuity of care, C. To serve as a legal document, or D. To facilitate billing? The correct answer is B. To provide continuity of care. The main reason for keeping records is to ensure the patient receives consistent and safe care. Question 7. Which organization manages HCPCS Level 2 codes? A. AMA, B. CMS, C. AAPC, or D. AHIMA? The correct answer is B. CMS. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, manages HCPCS Level 2. Question 8. What is encoding in the context of medical coding? A. Storing data on a hard drive, B. The process of assigning alphanumeric values to text, C. Encryption of patient records, or D. Translating medical terms into Latin? The correct answer is B. The process of assigning alphanumeric values to text. Encoding is the conversion of diagnostic and procedural descriptions into code. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of a third-party payer? A. The patient, B. Blue Cross Blue Shield, C. The physician, or D. The hospital administrator? The correct answer is B. Blue Cross Blue Shield. A third-party payer is an entity, like insurance, that pays for health services on behalf of the patient. Question 10. What is a clearinghouse? A. A hospital's cleaning department, B. An entity that standardizes data for claims processing, C. A place where medical records are shredded, or D. A government auditing agency? The correct answer is B. An entity that standardizes data for claims processing. Clearinghouses act as middlemen, checking and formatting claims for insurance companies. Question 11. According to ICD-10-CM guidelines, should you code signs and symptoms if a definitive diagnosis is known? A. Yes, B. No, C. Only if the symptoms are severe, or D. Only for emergency visits? The correct answer is B. No. When a definitive diagnosis has been established, signs and symptoms are typically not coded. Question 12. What is the purpose of CPT modifiers? A. To change the meaning of the code entirely, B. To provide additional information about the service, example, performed on the left side, C. To increase the payment amount automatically, or D. To indicate the patient's age? The correct answer is B. to provide additional information about the service, example, performed on the left side. Modifiers clarify or add detail to a procedure code without changing its basic definition. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of medical nomenclature? A. CPT, B. ICD-10-CM, C. SNOME-CT, or D. HCPCS? The correct answer is C. SNOME-CT. SNOME-CT is a comprehensive, multilingual clinical healthcare terminology. Question 14. The small code set under HIPAA includes which of the following? A. Diagnoses, B. Race and ethnicity, C. Surgical procedures, or D. Medications? The correct answer is B. Race and ethnicity. Small code sets include non-clinical data like race, ethnicity, and type of facility. Question 15. What is the term for the process of determining which insurance is primary when a patient has two plans? A. Pre-authorization, B. Coordination of benefits, C. Subrogation, or D. Remittance? The correct answer is B. Coordination of benefits. Coordination of benefits, COB, prevents overpayment by determining the order of payment. Question 16. Which CPT section would you use to code an office visit? A. Anesthesia, B. Surgery, C. Evaluation and management, E/M, or D. Radiology? The correct answer is C. Evaluation and management, E/M. Office visits and consultations fall under evaluation and management. Question 17. What is upcoding? A. Using a code for a higher level of service than was actually provided. B. Assigning codes to a claim. C. Updating the coding software. Or D. Using the most specific code available? The correct answer is A. Using a code for a higher level of service than was actually provided. Upcoding is a fraudulent practice where a higher paying code is used inaccurately. Question 18. What does ICD stand for in ICD-10-CM? A. International Classification of Diseases, B. Internal Coding of Disorders, C. Integrated Clinical Data, or D. Institutional Category of Diagnosis? The correct answer is A. International Classification of Diseases. ICD stands for International Classification of Diseases. Question 19. In the 3-2-1 coded method, what does abstracting mean? A. Writing a summary of the record, B. Identifying key information in documentation to assign codes, C. Filing the record in the archives, or D. Scanning the document? The correct answer is B. Identifying key information in documentation to assign codes. Abstracting is the process of reviewing the medical record to find the data needed for coding. Question 20. What is medical necessity? A. The patient's desire for a procedure, B. The requirement that a service is appropriate for the diagnosis, C. The cost of the medical equipment, or D. A rule that all patients must have insurance? The correct answer is B. The requirement that a service is appropriate for the diagnosis. Medical necessity means the service provided matches the patient's clinical needs.